The Shanghai upgrade to the Ethereum or ETH network is one of the most anticipated events in the cryptocurrency world. It claims to boost the liquidity of the main cryptocurrency by releasing ETH held in the beacon chain. The Shanghai upgrade is planned to be released in March 2023, marking the end of the merge period. Here are the two key updates that are going to happen in 2023. Watch the video till the end to know more. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex, and many more. While you are already here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So, let's begin the video. While the crypto community is concerned about the possible selling pressure caused by the upgrade, it is crucial to remember that the ETH release will take place gradually through a queue, thereby minimizing the market effect. With the launch of the beacon chain, stakeholders were able to validate blocks and safeguard the ETH network while retaining security predictability throughout the merge, the major change to the cryptocurrency industry in 2022. Aside from the Q1 hard fork, the ETH network will receive two big enhancements later in 2023. These upgrades will strengthen the main altcoin's market position. The surge. The next upgrade, according to Ethereum developer Vitalik Buterin, would primarily address the smart contract platform scaling issues. The upgrade will achieve this by fragmenting the ETH database, allowing the network to scale while remaining decentralized. To do this, the information on the ETH network will be divided horizontally, allowing it to disperse the load while reducing storage costs and hardware needs. It is crucial to highlight that this upgrade will not result in an instantaneously scalable Ethereum blockchain. Instead, EIP 4844 will build a distinct blockchain for Layer 2, which will let scaling solutions like Arbitrum and Optimism reduce transaction prices and become fully competitive with other ETH rivals with cheaper transfer fees. EOF EVM Object Format. The next EOF upgrade will improve Ethereum's code execution environment, making the cryptocurrency platform more efficient and expediting the smart contract creation process. EOF will also support EVM changes and develop a way to track new contract resource utilization. These enhancements move Ethereum closer to its aim of being a massive, decentralized computer with a user-friendly interface, minimal fees, and a secure network for daily transactions. It is vital to understand that in the cryptocurrency world, upgrades are provided through suggested enhancements, which are susceptible to change at any time. How are these updates going to affect the world's second largest cryptocurrency? Let us know, what do you think about these key updates in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and keep investing in crypto.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.